Hello guys, we've been waiting for that for a whole year, and the biggest sale on AliExpress is coming. We couldn't miss this set of the most useful gadgets for all occasions with big discounts. No need to thank us. You'll find all the links to the products on Ali and Amazon shops in the description box. Number 1. Deluxe Ergonomic Mouse. Looking for a perfect mouse you can work and play with all day long? Have you ever heard of vertical mice? This one seems weird, but it's as easy to use as the traditional mouse. Its biggest pro is that your hand remains in the vertical position, so there's no way you'll feel stiffness or fatigue in your wrist. Plus, there's also a palm rest for additional comfort, and 6 buttons make the operation even quicker. Not bad, but something's missing. Yes, the built-in RGB. Number 2. Kinscoter Aroma Diffuser. This aroma diffuser may be a great alternative to ordinary air fresheners to eliminate those awful odors. First, it spreads your favorite scent, but with that built-in lighting, it may also double as a nightlight. Pick the color you like, pour in some water, add several drops of oil, and plug the device into any power source. Here comes the third feature. It's a humidifier. This way, it'll work for up to 9 hours, and when it runs out of water, it will turn off automatically. Number 3. Hilda Leveling Machine. This is the gadget for every true perfectionist. Now every painting on your wall and every tile on the floor will be leveled with the highest precision. This thing uses a 4D 16-line laser system that covers any surface indoors or outdoors. With the integrated LED display and several touch buttons, the gadget is easy to operate. Even a beginner can handle. Moreover, it's actually self-leveling. If the tilt exceeds 3 degrees, the gadget will automatically activate an alarm before you do anything wrong. And there are plenty of mounting options to choose from. You can hang this thing on a wall, put it on a tripod, or use the included lifting platform. Finally, you'll definitely appreciate the remote control that also comes in the package. Number 4. Wewatch Mini Projector. If you say you want a bigger screen, then it wouldn't be best if you had this projector that's no bigger than your medium latte. But despite the size, it'll give you a 120-inch crisp picture. Okay, so pick the way you want to connect to it via HDMI, AUX USB, or Wi-Fi, and place it on the included tripod to adjust the needed angle. Oh, and don't forget to adjust the focus with the focus ring above. The dual 3 loudspeakers might seem a bit weak, but it might be enough since the cooling system produces almost negligible noise. No one wants to watch a movie with a fan buzzing next to them and want to watch their favorite show. Just plug in the TV stick or Chromecast and enjoy the picture. Number 5. Mifa WildBox Speaker. Do you remember this speaker that doubled as a flask to save you some room in your backpack? Here's another way to do that. This time it's a speaker and a power bank in one body sans. It's also intended to accompany you on your outdoor adventures. It's water and dust proof, with 2 built-in dynamics and 2 tweeters that give you 60-watt output, which is bigger than you might expect from a device of that size. Is there an underground party on the list? Turn on the party mode to make the highs higher and the bass deeper. And don't forget about the RGB for its immersive atmosphere. Bluetooth 5.3 will make sure there won't be any latencies. This way the speakers will play for about 24 hours, so drop the bass. Number 6. Chovery Window Cleaner. Is the weather that bad? Oh, those are just my dirty windows. Well, with the Chovery robot, you'll improve the situation without being distracted from your Zoom meeting. First, put on the pads and plug in all the cords, short and long. After that, press the device toward the smooth surface you want to clean, and super suction power will keep it in place, while the robot will actually move around cleaning 10 square feet every 3 minutes. To get the job done, you need 2 sets of microfiber pads, 1 set for cleaning, either dry or wet. Found the spot, use the remote to get rid of it. Number 7. Baseus Car Water Gun. It looks like you have a nice ride along all the swamps in the world. Are you a Kikimora? Go wash your car. Take that basic car wash gun to ease the task. Okay, pull all the parts together. Connect them to the faucet, and don't forget to pour some shampoo into the foam bottle. You're ready. Push the trigger. Pick one of 4 modes using the rotary switch. Don't worry, the pipe is long enough to wash hard-to-reach places. Are you done? Disassemble all the parts and store them in a small container that won't take much room. Number 8. Xiaomi Smart Cat Eye. Smart cams are excellent, but how to protect your kids if they're too young to use a phone or don't have access to the cloud? This Smart Cat Eye is a smart video doorbell from Xiaomi. It consists of a P-fold camera, which is installed outside the door, and a screen, which is located inside the house. When someone presses the bell, the screen turns on automatically, showing you who's coming. Now your kid knows his friend is to come. A built-in security mode turns on automatically and starts recording video if a person is within a radius of 10 feet. Of course, you'll get all the videos right to your smartphone if someone's trying to enter the house when you're away. You'll immediately get the notification to tell them they're persona non grata. Number 9. Divoom Retro Speaker. Oh, that retro accessory that looks like an old PC is stunning. Wrong. That's not an accessory, that's a Bluetooth speaker by Divoom that will help you escape your workplace routine. Want to listen to some music? Okay, this device will provide you with 360-degree surround sound. Just pick the track you want to listen to and connect the device via Bluetooth, or insert the TF card, or create your own remix. That cute equalizer will please the eye. But you can load the pixel picture you like from the vast library, or draw your own. Choice is yours. You feel like you want to play a game of Tetris Snake and other legends are at your service. Don't worry, you won't miss the colleague's message. The PC will notify you with the icon on his screen. That computer isn't that old. Number 10. Mucar CDL20 Scanner. Could anyone please tell me what's wrong with my car? Since none of us is a storyteller or a psychic, you'd better use the scanner to know the exact answer. This one is pretty easy to use. It combines physical buttons with a 4-inch touchscreen for better operation. So plug this thing into an OBD port and pick one of the 10 functions you want to test. Voila! You've got a particular code for your problem. Or you can scan the whole car and get real-time live data like the voltage, speed, temperature, and so on. If you need that report, just save it and send it via email. I think I found a way to save money and time on repairs in the workshop. So guys, which gadgets did you like? Let us know in the comment section below, and we'll be bringing these gadgets to you in the future. To get updated, just need to subscribe to the channel. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.